Behind me is my CO2 laser, and it vents out through this little pipe back here, but we got a problem. This vents outside to my chimney, and it's cold outside. Oh, underneath this laser, we do have a heater, so we've been keeping it warm. But we're basically fighting a losing battle here. So there's cold air constantly coming in, and then the hot air from the heater trying to keep everything warm, and it's just not a good solution. So we're gonna put in one of these automatic baffles here, and this one has a foam ring to keep it sealed. And so we're gonna put it so this goes up, and you can see that even with just like the tiniest little bit of airflow, it opens up. So we're gonna install that in there today. I really regret not doing this at the very beginning, because now I gotta cut all this apart, and it's not meant to be cut apart. It's supposed to be permanent. It's supposed to be a done deal. So we're gonna have to figure out a way to cut it. I did start cutting it right there with my pocket knife. I think that's gonna be the only way we're gonna get this done. It's gonna be hard to reach the back, so we'll figure out how to do that, but let's get after it. Okay, gotta take that out. Okay, it's really hard to see there, but I can definitely feel air blowing down through here, so we gotta get rid of that problem. That's where this is gonna come in, and we're gonna put that right there. Yeah, if I do that, it blocks almost all that air. I'd say like 99% of the airflow is blocked by doing that. I could probably slip this in here without making any cuts. So if I put this on the top of this, and then I can butt that halfway up there, and then I'll put all of that up in there, and then I'll just tape it. So I'm gonna tape this to here first, and then I'm gonna put that back up there, and then I'll tape the whole thing back shut, and then I can reinstall this. So what I thought initially is that I was gonna have to cut it like in the middle. I thought I was gonna have to like cut it right here, but I'm not gonna have to. I don't know why. I don't know what I thought. I thought I was gonna have to cut out a little strip of this out of the middle and stick it in the middle. But if I put it up there, less I have to do. Let's get this done. Look at that, you guys. I just tore off a random length, and it was absolutely perfect. This is going way better than I thought it was going to. Okay, now we'll install the elbow here. I mean, I make this look easy. This is so much easier than last time I installed it. Tape down, ready to go back on there. And then this wasn't really even attached to much at the bottom here. What you're probably yelling at me in the video is that's how far up I had to go into the last one. I mean, that's how far it overlapped before, and now I got to get it down to there. So I just tried shoving it up in there, and it didn't go. It went to here. So whoops, might have to cut this out. Okay, let's get this thing test fit like we should have done before. Make sure that's still up, which it is, which is good. It would really suck if it wasn't. Okay. That's in there good. I can't believe how much air is flowing through there. Okay, that fits there. Look at that. Perfect. There. perfect up there. It's a little loosey-goosey. That's okay. We're gonna tape that, so that'll take care of all of that, seal that up. So let's get this taped up and finished up. Now we're gonna switch this on for the first time since we hooked it up, and we're gonna see if it blows smoke out the wrong way, you know? Let's put something in here, cut it, and blow a bunch of smoke out. You can see, smoking plenty. We should have lots of smoke for a while. It's not coming out of here at all. No smoke. No smoke. Lots of smoke right there, but not smoky in here. So, looks like we got it sealed up nice. Everything is looking good. Okay, I would call that a success.